Warm welcome to my channel Budding Dentist. Today we are going to see some updated career options after BDS in the year 2021. This presentation will give you answers for your inner voices during this lockdown. What to choose after BDS, what to study after BDS, how to search jobs, and so on. I hope, I am sure also you will get answers for your inner voices. Let's get into the slides without further delay. These are the best options after PDS. You can either go for a job or you can do your higher studies, or you can be a blogger or a teacher, or else you can do a non-clinical jobs. Let us see each topic briefly in the upcoming slides. First of all, we will see about state government jobs. For the state government jobs, the source of information is newspaper and the websites, and you can work in two centers, either in the public health center or the community health center. In public health center, you are posted by the state government. In community health center, you are posted either by the state or the central government. Okay. And the criteria for selection here is, it is an interview basis job and you are recruited on contractual basis. Your salary will be around 25,000. The demerit of this job is you won't get your salary increased. Okay, it is also a nice options, but the advantage of this job is it is a government job and my seniors are working for more than 7 years. They are recruited for a period of 11 months only on contractual basis, but they are still working. Okay, next we will see about central government jobs. You can enter into army as a dentist by three ways. The first method is you have to attend NEET and your mark should be, your rank should be, All India rank should be below 2000 and you have to attend an interview. After that you are selected for a army dental corps. The second option is you can be a dental officer. If you are a BDS graduate, you should require 3 years experience. If you are a MDS, you don't need any experience. You are recruited as a dental officer after an interview. The third option is a territorial officer in Indian Army in railways. Here they will recruit only the male candidates and you will have a written exam followed by an interview. Your salary for central government job is above 50,000. It is a starting pay and it is a permanent job also. Okay, but the demerit of this job is you have to shift from your native. You can, if you are an army dental grads, you have to work in Delhi and in high hill stations. You have to work in hill stations. Okay, that is the demerit of this job. But you will get a decent salary. It is the only job you will get above 50,000 as a dentist. And the source of the information is newspaper and website. Their website is www.joinarmynic.in. I will give this link in the description box. You can follow me in Instagram so that I will keep you updated with the job notification. Okay, and the next government job is you can go for UPSC. You can give your written exam in UPSC. And in UPSC it is also a permanent job. You can be an IPS, IAS, IRS, IFS officer also. And you are posted in a health sector as a doctor. You are posted in a health sector, and you will have a decent payment in after UPSC exam. If you are passed out, you will have a decent payment, and you will get notified in their websites. But choose your academy wisely for preparation. Okay. The next career option after BDS is doing a senior internship. Um, you can do senior internship in order to improve your clinical skills in a government college or hospital for 6 months. While doing this, you will see many RTA cases, that is the road traffic cases. You will get used with their clinical skills, and you can also improve your skills in RCT in some government colleges. When you are doing senior internship in government colleges or hospitals, you will not get any payment or a stipend. Okay. And the other option is you can be a junior resident doctor. It is also 6 months. You will get a stipend for this as a JR, but you have to give exams in either in AIMS, JIPMER, GTP Delhi or Maulana Azad. But they will recruit only for less than 10 members after an exam, after an written exam. But you will get a decent pay. In AIMS, you will get about 80,000 as a stipend during a 6 months duration, and you will get improved in your clinical skills also when you are doing JR in AIMS, JIPMER or GTP Delhi. Okay. The next option is it is a well-known option. You can do your NEET preparation, and you can do MDS. You can join an army after MDS also. As I said before, after MDS you can set up your own clinic. You can be a consultant. You can join any dental colleges as a senior lecturer, or you can join any NEET academy as a tutor. Okay. And if you are selecting departments like public health dentistry, oral medicine, oral surgery and oral pathology, uh, you can get recruited in Cancer Institute for clinical research. Okay. It is also a nice option after MDS. To improve your clinical skills, you can do fellowship in endodontics, implantology, laser dentistry, cosmetic dentistry and forensic odontology. We all know that endodontics, that is the RCT I am talking about. It is a pillar for any clinic, right? I did my fellowship in Asian Institute in Hyderabad. It is also a good institute to improve your clinical skills in RCT. Okay. Next, you can be a dental blogger. For that, you need only an internet connection and a laptop. You can work from your home itself. If your blogging is, if you have more followers, you will earn more, right? The next is a teacher. You after BDS you can join any NEET academy or dental colleges as a tutor, and if you hate dentistry also you can teach higher secondary students as a biology teacher. They are also getting good pay as a biology teacher. The next option is doing masters. You can do your master degree after BDS, that is MPH. MPH stands for Masters in Public Health. After doing MPH, you can join any NGOs, whether it is government or non-government governmental organization. You can conduct camps for vaccination. That is the way you will work after MPH, after doing. And after doing MBA in hospital management and MHA, that is masters in health administration, you will get improved in your administrative skills, so that you can work in any corporate hospital as an administrator, health administrator, right? Next, you can do diploma or fellowship courses in cosmetology, trichology, because the future is towards beauty, right? You can upgrade your skills in cosmetology, trichology, nutritional management. You can be a dietitian after doing fellowship in nutrition management. You can be a dietitian and a dentist also, and you can do fellowship in micropigmentation also. While doing this fellowship courses, you should keep in mind, you should choose the academy wisely, so that they will recruit their own students for their jobs. Okay, so choose your academy wisely while doing these fellowship courses. Next, traditional option is setting up your own clinic, or you can practice dentist in a private sector. I will give you links in the upcoming slides for searching jobs in private hospitals, right? We will talk about setting up an own clinic. If you are ready to set up your own clinic, you should be affordable, and you should choose your location wisely. Okay, and improve your clinical skills before setting up a clinic. Educated patients always see your degree, that is a doctor X BDS. After that, what they will see that after BDS, so that you can do some fellowship, MDS, or any diploma courses before setting up a clinic, so that you don't need any consultant also for your clinic, right? And your instrument should be high-fied. You should be able to afford RVG. At this present condition, you should be able to afford RVG and your dental chairs also. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.